decentralized data labeling service that capitalizes on Filecoin's IPFS as well as AlphaZero's EVM Rust compatibility. So this is kind of the homepage. You can kind of get started by connecting wallet, which will prompt this authorize with Polkadot.js. We can allow access and boom, I think we're now authed. So now we are integrated directly with AlphaZero, sorry about that. And so this is kind of a platform from two services, from a labeling side and from like a request side. And so let's say, for example, I want to create a computer vision model to detect whether or not I'm studying. And so I can kind of choose files. Let's see if I have any, hopefully, these ones are here. I can kind of choose files that depict whether or not I'm studying. Let me pick one more, perhaps like this one, right here. And so I can kind of upload them. I can request how many people from this decentralized network I want to label, which will kind of display the cost. And when I request it, you can kind of see that it starts generating this request. And so what it's doing is actually it's connecting and uploading to IPFS, which is Filecoin. And so with this, we're able to upload large amounts of data. Let's say it wasn't actually images, let's say it's actually PDFs. Then this would be super useful in a decentralized manner. And so now you can see, boom, they're now all uploaded inside of the IPFS. And so now if we head back to the homepage, let's say now I am actually acting as a person who is going to label data and try and get paid out for it. So now I can kind of go to this section and see that these are all the projects, or let's say these are all like the different computer vision requests that have been made. You can see mine that I was studying right here. I just made it. And so you can kind of click that. As you can see, it's loading, it's directly generating the IPFS just to see that it's actually accurate. So it's the same thing. Then I can actually start labeling if I want to start the task. And so now I begin the task of me labeling data decentralized. And so what it will look like is kind of like Tinder, if you think about it, very gamified version. I'll get an image and I'll match it to a label and let's see if it actually is accurate. So is this a picture of studying? I'll say yes. And then what will actually happen is if you look at the back end, it will first it will pull the image from the IPFS, and second, it will generate, or it will call the smart contract, which is made in ink, on AlphaZero, and it will kind of update both the reputation and also the label itself that we had actually said yes or no to. And so because it's a decentralized manner, how do we reach consensus? Well, we reach it through verification and reputation system. And so we're creating a ZK reputation system on AlphaZero, where we can kind of see how these are all the different addresses that have also voted, since it's decentralized, and we can see whether or not they got verified, or if they had a good reputation or not, and if they were a verified voter. And so this is kind of like the structure of how we go about it. And so if we go on to the next one as well, let's let this image load, hopefully. Is this one an image of studying? Let's say it's yes. And then we can see this also, we can also see that it's different reputation ratings and also different actors on this specific data labeling service. And so if we just finish through this last one as well, it's all pictures of me, by the way. Kind of finish and see, boom, there, now we're task complete. And so now as a user, you can kind of claim the money that was set out for you in a smart contract that hopefully will continue to implement in AlphaZero. And then, yeah, that's kind of like the overall status and overall summary of how we created this app and how it's integrated on AlphaZero and also Filecoin. So this is a super awesome project that we're super excited about. There's still a lot of loose ends that we really want to connect, namely the full verification on chain with AlphaZero. So we've been making this as well on the side. So love to explore this and continue this project even after EthOxford. But this is all we made in the current ecosystem and current time frame. So thank you very much.